Hello people, welcome once again. Today we're going to react one of your most requested video from Diana Ankudinova, of course. There's so much requests from you about Diana, about latest performance, a latest song, and this one we choose the one I think she's performing very latest live. I think I'm flying with the waterfall. That's the translation. So
yeah, Leču водопадom.
Okay, we don't try to read that one because we can't
it's
read
easier
it
for that.
Anyway, let's have a look and see what is it.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, I love her. She reminds me of Isaiah. It's so much confident for us, even we don't know the song, we don't understand it. But when we know it's Diana Ankudinova singing on the stage, wow, we are like fully confident. She's always bringing up the best, and she is. And we always see how joyful she is, standing there, singing in front of the crowd, and wow.
Singing and it's also like we saw in the documentary a couple of videos ago. She has such a big repertoire of songs, and we haven't heard this one, but she brings it like it's her own, and it's
exactly.
Wow, it's really beautiful to see this always.
she performs not only one song this time. Can you tell us, by the way,
Where the
where
show
is
was,
this
yeah.
show? Anyway, thank you, Mike Soto, for this video. Yeah,
Mhm.
actually, there is a description over there,
Okay.
but we didn't look. Sorry for that, as usual. We always wait for your feedback and your comment about it. But I must say, shout out to, I think, of course, the mom of Diana, I think, who fixed her outfit. We know her mom is always the one who's being with
Mhm.
her all the time.
Yeah.
I love her outfit, the hairstyle, and yeah, it suits to the song she performs. And
Mhm.
yeah,
It's also one of the artists where we always see flowers and gifts on the stage when she performs. It's I don't know. It's kind of a tradition, I guess, with Diana. But she's the only one we actually see it.
yeah,
Sometimes we see some bunch of flowers, but not as many as
yeah.
Diana.
I,
She's
yeah,
overflowing with
I
it.
think yeah, she's one of the artists that's being so close to the audience. I mean, it's like feels like there's no boundary.
Yeah, she's very connected with her
connected,
audience.
yeah, and to see a lot of flowers every time performing is like wow. And of course, we see her. Thank you very much, guys, for this wonderful request, and we hope you stay tuned for the next one.
All right, and let us know any other footage you have. All right, that's
Yes.
it for today, and see you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye.